What is a DPF assessment and why do we need one? Your DPF filter is a self-cleaning system that is designed to regenerate periodically to keep the filter clean. Therefore, if you are experiencing DPF problems, then we must find out the reason why. Otherwise, if we simply cleaned the DPF without getting to the root cause of the problem, you'll be wasting your hard-earned money. So our job during the DPF assessment is to get to the bottom of the root cause of your DPF problems so we can carry out a reliable repair. So if you're experiencing problems and need to find a specialist near you, if you type in your location in the search function on our website, then you can find a specialist near you that will carry out a DPF assessment, find out the cause of your problems and offer you a reliable repair. Thank you.